Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and the AirPods Pro, and I will show you how you can connect this to the device. At the first, we have to move our AirPods Pro to the pairing mode. So let's open charging case like that. Next we have to rotate our case and click and hold this button to move them into the pairing mode, as I said before. Let's make it. Click and hold. When indicators start blinking, just release that key and move to the Bluetooth settings on your Note, or go straight from the settings. Activate Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Take a look on the available devices list. When AirPods pop here, you have to tap on them. So be patient and wait. Let's make it. Let's click on the AirPods Pro, accept pairing request at the bottom by tapping on the pair, and after a few moments we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.